Okay, so we are going to pull the studs out of the exhaust manifolds here. The unknown mechanic is spraying some liquid wrench, the type that loosens, not the one that tightens, and we'll let that soak in for a while. We've already treated it with the torch, and so we'll let this soak for a while and then give it a good pull, a good turn of the wrench to see if we can get it out of there.
Another shot of camel piss.
Camel pee, that's what liquid wrench is. Okay, so here is my fancy, exciting, expensive radiator hose that goes to this fancy, expensive oil cooler that connects to, where'd the old one go?
Right here.
Oh, there. And so that's what it shall look like. Okay, well, we're going to start assembling things. Okay, and so as you see, the engine is out. If you look down the exhaust pipe there, you can see the tip of the right side oxygen sensor, and then the left side has another sensor. It's the front of the torque converter in the transmission. So going to degrease the engine compartment now, get all this gunk out of here, make it nice to work in, and then we're going to start putting things back together. And there is my protector for the air conditioning condenser. Below that is the auxiliary transmission fluid cooler. It also goes through the bottom of the radiator. And I've got another little here. I'll have to trace it back and see just what that one is. I don't know. All right. Okay. I have finished cleaning out the inside of the engine compartment. We sprayed our degreaser in there, and then people are gonna like this. I went to the truck camper and I got a 1/2-inch PEX coupler with a female end on it, and then I got a male ended 1/2-inch pipe to garden hose, and I put that on the hot water outlet, the hot water drain out from the water heater. Brought my 25-foot RV hose over here to the truck, cranked up the water heater and let it run for about 20 minutes to get nice and hot, and then I hot washed the engine compartment. So look how clean the cross member is. Power steering pump, power steering box, gearbox, AC compressor, all the cross links. The Pitman arm is a little bit scaly, dirty, but it's much better than it was. The pumpkin on the front axle is clean. So everything is nice and clean in the engine compartment. Even the hood is a lot cleaner than it was. So there you go. That's a hot ticket for you. If you ever need a outside hot wash or just hot water on the outside, put a garden hose attachment on your hot water tank drain pipe, and instead of draining it, leave the pump on and run it. Works great. Okay, so that is it.